With this session update, I'm Shannon Lurkey. A bipartisan group of senators called a press conference to highlight the need for legislation to eliminate a gray area that allows some violent offenders to rejoin society without facing charges. Here are some highlights.
Abigail Simpson was brutally murdered by Terry Ann Sherman in front of a toddler. Christopher Dwayne Rice murdered Paul Pfeiffer with a car. Malcolm Leslie shot Tommy McCoy on a bus. What do those have in common? All three of the individuals who committed those murders had been arrested on a charge of some gravity and been released because they were incompetent to stand trial. They were not able to participate in their own defense. And that sounds like, well, we shouldn't be putting people who are incompetent in jail, and we agree. But then we shouldn't be having murders happening either.
We need to also have an understanding that there is a complete shortage of mental health beds in the state, and that plays a very large contributing factor to this.
These circumstances are referred to as gap cases. The current system is a combination of a criminal rule, which lacks statutory authority, and the Minnesota Treatment and Commitment Act, which is designed to support individuals with mental illness. This has resulted in the dismissal of criminal proceedings upon a finding of incompetence without providing services to the individual to help restore them to competence. And very frequently, this has resulted in individuals committing further crimes.
The proposed legislation is designed to eliminate gap cases by establishing a direct transition or placement from criminal court into a treatment program or services to restore competence. This clarifies the criminal court has the jurisdiction and authority for placement, which eliminates miscommunication and confusion between those two systems, the criminal justice system and the mental health treatment system.
Some juveniles are still committing serious crimes, as we have seen with so many of the recent carjacking cases. Juvenile statutes are more geared towards rehabilitation than adult correction systems, and we don't want to overlap services, nor do we want to make sure children are falling through the cracks, but different considerations needed than for adults. Legislation resulting from this task force will provide a process for juveniles, reduce impact on child protection departments who are now tasked with providing support, treatment for juveniles.
To continue following these issues and more, watch legislative coverage Monday through Friday on the PBS Minnesota channel or visit our website, www.senate.mn/media.